Today's topic is ways to sort the list which consists of the float values. There are three types of method to solve such kind of a list, and they are sort, sorted, and a lambda. Let's start with the first method, sort. First we are going to initialize our list, and then we are going to use the method sort having the key set to the float. So what is the key? The key is a function which serves as a key for sorting the comparison for it. Here we have set it to float. That means that it's going to compare each element of the list, and then it's going to sort the list in an ascending order for it. After that we are going to show our output for it. Let's check the example. As you can see, it's already in the ascending order for it.